Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the NVIDIA control panel. This is where DSR lives. Once open, navigate to manage 3D settings so you can change global or per application profiles. Make sure you have administrator access. Without it, changes won't save. You perform these first steps to target DSR directly rather than guessing in-game options. If control panel is missing, reinstall the driver or use GeForce Experience to restore settings before continuing. You now locate the DSR entries under Global Settings in Manage 3D Settings. Look for DSR factors and DSR smoothness. Uncheck every DSR factor so no higher than native resolutions are applied. This removes the upscaling. Then set DSR smoothness back to default or 0 to prevent any residual filtering. If you prefer per app control, switch to the Program Settings tab and repeat for specific titles. Once done, apply changes to commit them to the driver. You finish by applying changes and restarting the affected game, or rebooting the PC to ensure drivers load the new profile. Then open a game and confirm native resolutions are the only options. This verifies DSR is off. If you still see DSR resolutions, reset the NVIDIA control panel to default, reinstall the latest drivers, or use the in safe mode to clean remnants. One key troubleshooting tip: reinstalling the driver usually clears stubborn DSR flags and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.